Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! Science, Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 2. Topics: describe objects in their surroundings, home, school, or community. Ask questions about the objects around them. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Learning competencies. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to: first, describe objects in their surroundings, home, school, or community, and second, ask questions about the objects around them. Match the body parts to its correct senses. 1. Eyes. C. Sight. 2. Ears. E. Hear. 3. Skin. D. Touch. 4. Nose. A. Smell. 5. Tongue. B. Taste. Activity number 2. How do I use my senses to describe objects around me? We will roam around the school compound. Name 3 objects that you can see, hear, or touch as we walk around. Name and describe using the 5 senses the following objects, place, and people. Name of object 1, bird. Describe: cute, blue, small, moving, makes a loud sound, makes a sound that goes like this: chirp, chirp, chirp. Name of object number 2, flowers. Describe: colorful, soft, pretty, smells sweet, does not make a sound. Name of object 3, vegetables. Describe object: green, smooth, round or leafy, smells fresh, tastes crunchy. Name of object number 4, classroom. Describe object: bright, clean, wide, quiet, or sometimes noisy, smells like paper, smooth chairs and tables. Answer the following questions. 1. What other objects have you found around the school? 2. Was it easy or difficult to describe the objects you found? 3. What did you use to describe the objects around the school? How can we answer the questions that you have about the objects you found? Since yesterday, we have used our senses to identify and describe objects. When we identify and describe objects, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. Science will also help us answer your questions by doing science activities like experiments. Hopefully, you might even more scientist one day. Questions. 1. What are objects in your surroundings like? There are many objects in my surroundings and they can be described in many ways. 2. How is science present in identifying and describing objects? When we identify and describe objects, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. 3. How can science help in answering the questions we have about objects? Science activities like experiments can help answer questions. Write as many descriptions as they can on a piece of paper for submission.